Hey everyone, and welcome back to this tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to check Apple gift card balance. This quick tutorial will help you out. Alright, now let's get to checking that balance. Here's what you need to do. Head over to a web browser. In the address bar, type Apple gift card. This will take you to the official Apple website for checking your balance. Here you will see a down arrow with Buy button. Tap on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Tap on the check balance. Sign in with your Apple ID. Once logged in, you'll see a field to enter your gift card PIN. This is usually a 16-digit number located on the back of the card. Click the button that says Check Balance. There, your remaining balance will be displayed on the screen. If you're not comfortable checking your balance online, you can also call Apple support directly. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to easily check your Apple gift card balance. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.